As the world evolves and healthcare needs change rapidly, it takes the power of togetherness, bold initiatives, and pioneering solutions to overcome every challenge. Together, we harness digital intelligence and research to bring care to healthcare. Together, we serve millions to become South Asia's second largest healthcare family. Together, we foster compassion with empathy and respect and rise to the occasion each time. Together, we drive efficiency by being nimble and delivering with precision. Together, we perform consistently and deliver on our commitment at every step and every time. Together, we pursue excellence as a continuous journey and ask more of ourselves. Together, we redefine Max Healthcare. We are here to serve. We are here to excel.